Hey there, so let's make some Niger stew. I'm using vegetable oil. I'm adding my spices like my rosemary and my thyme to the oil. I like the fragrance, it's really nice. You can try this if you want. If you hear birds chirping, I'm in my car. Then this is a blend of tomatoes, onions, peppers, tatashe, shombo. I'm also going to add my spices. I'm showing you like my favorite spices. This is spicy tea. It also gives a color to whatever you're cooking. You can add curry or not, but this is my personal choice to add curry to it. You can add any seasoning you like, but this is my personal choice. I like it. So yeah, I'm adding my salt. I'm adding my cubes to the seasoning. You can also taste what you add just to make sure you don't over salt or under spice your stew. So here I'm just turning all the spices together and seasonings. I'm turning it again and yeah. So I'm just making sure it fries a bit before I go on to add the chicken. So I've seasoned and I added my chicken to the oven. When it was done, I just added it to boil in the stew. I'm adding some of the chicken stock for it to boil with it. Then I'll just be giving it a mix to allow it to boil, and you're going to allow this to boil to it fries very well till you like it. Let me allow the fry for some time. I also paired my food with rice and beans and coleslaw salad. It was so amazing. Beautiful recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye. And if you like this, please do subscribe.